Grand Rising, everyone. It is Shay Seeking, and welcome back. So, yeah, I was sitting here trying to, I'm trying to find my remote control for my TV. I can't find it. Not many places it should be. But anyways, um, yeah, so I was sitting here, like I was going through, something earlier where I'm like, damn, so I've been like really tired lately, and this is the thing. I feel like there's just something strange going on here. I promise you. I feel like, I don't feel like I feel like, do you ever have that feeling where, okay, you feel good, you feel safe, you feel everything, but it's something about, I don't know, I feel like it's something about the area, it's something about the people, it's something about something here that is, mm-hmm. It's almost like one of those strange mystery movies or television shows when people maybe appear to be one way when you're looking, but as soon as you turn your back, they turn into something or someone else, you know what I'm saying, that would do things that you would never imagine they would do. So it's just this feeling of it's just been too quiet, right? There's been subliminals, you know what I'm saying, about pregnancy or someone, this stuff like this or whatever. And then I'm thinking to myself, now I know projecting energy and everything like that is real, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like the more people you have watching you, when you and that's the problem about being in this situation as being a targeted individual, is that people feel it's necessary to record you and try to take everything you do out of context. But I feel like I always feel like it's one-sided. Whatever I feel like when it comes to the family dynamic, if it comes to the masculine, okay, that's in this situation, I feel like this person is not, they maybe watched as much as I am, but somebody hides whatever this person does. It's almost like when they're high on my energy and I'm low, like when I'm being drained or whatever, and I'm sleeping a lot and everything, this person feels strengthened. And it's almost like they're using my energy. So it's just something, I don't know, it's something weird about that dynamic where I feel like whatever's going on with this dynamic here, it's like you're in competition, whether you know it or not, with your mate. Okay. And these people or whatever above or whatever that are watching you, are leveling something out here. And you feel like I said, with this dynamic of this masculine, this in a 3D, right? And then the two, in the another dimension or whatever, or in another, this parallel universe. Okay. I feel like they work through his vassal when they want to, right? When it's good for them, all right? Or somebody that they're connected to, right? Because I do feel like there's a feminine presence that harvests or harness his energy too, okay? And so, it's kind of like whatever they're doing, they're trying to just like put something on me. I don't know, I'm here and I need someone to put this weight on, okay? So I don't know. Like I said, I feel like, you know what I'm saying about swap. There's about a bunch of energy about wife swap, but I'm thinking how, like what is the ancestor trying to tell me? What is this message or this download trying to tell me about wife swap? Right? Has somebody swapped me out? It's like that stranger in my house, she said, or is there someone imitating me? Look me in the face. So it's just this whole mystery thing. Like I can sense what she's thinking and what she's feeling in that stranger in my house, right? So again, it's almost like being with a person that's a vassal that you've known all this time or whatever. And there may be things that, you've been compelled not to see when it comes to this individual, right? But then there's something in the back of your mind that you do see, but you're thinking, no way. You're thinking, no way, not that, not that, It's like, I don't know. And it's almost like this person can't take this Adamic approach as if they didn't know. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's just something where I feel like we're dealing with energy, we're dealing with possession, and we're dealing with these things. And I feel like I was telling y'all the other day about these children. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, whoever these beings are may even have access to your children. They may have access to people in your family that may allow them to, shit just might be too close to comfort when it comes to children. And as a woman, you have this something in your pit of your stomach, and that's the thing when they work on these cash cows or these, at some point in time, they're raking in money from you. But then once they feel like it's not that stops, or they want you to stop because you're rising above their grasp, these family members, friends, social workers, co-workers in the clear port and not, all right, that they trying to do whatever they can to grab you onto your foot and bring you back down, You know what I'm saying? So they'll try slanderous approaches, and things like this. But whole time I feel like whenever they try to slander you or whatever, something like this, there's always a pile of rubbish that, you know what I'm saying, these people are doing. The reason why they're trying to pull you into that is because some shit that they may be doing to get the eyes off of them, you know what I'm saying, knowing you the cash cow or the scapegoat anyways. You know, they want to put the shit on you and like end you. You know, it's almost even like, is you gonna end up in a bathtub? You know what I'm saying? On something that you ain't never touched. You know, it's that kind of energy. Okay. So I feel like it is that kind of sting. Okay. So like a butterfly sting by like a bee. I think somebody don't like the fact that I was tapping into that energy, and they want to show me that they have a stinger that's a little bit more powerful, you know, than I would have. Okay. But I feel like, again, these people work out of these vassals here. And sometimes it worries me, you know, like, because my daughter came by a second ago, whatever, she wanted me to do something. And then she woke me up out of my sleep, whatever. And I don't even know why I was asleep. I've been so sleepy. So it's either, like I said, this sleep disorder is kicking up, or, you know, because I prefer not to take prescription drugs, right? Unless I really have something to do. So I do have them prescription things, but I don't like to take them, you know. But again, like I said, I've been sleeping a lot more lately, and I feel like this is the energy of some masculines going up against some woman. They hate her, or they don't like where she's going. So could these masculines and these feminines also, okay, or these couples even, could they be trying to stage something where they could pay off family members to allow access to you, you know, to you know what I'm saying? Because you know you ain't doing shit. So if somebody's saying that, that's ridiculous, right? Like I said, you have marijuana as a plant, right? And then you have drugs, okay? And I feel like, again, like I said, in my lifetime, you ain't never seen me touch no drugs. And that's just the fucking problem. That's just it at the end of the day. And I don't drink heavily. And it's funny because somebody that drink heavily or can be drinking heavily could be coming to you, it's telling you something wrong with you. When how you going to even judge when you just took down that whole motherfucking pint? You know what I'm saying? So, like, what are you talking about? You know, and I feel like, you know, these people be trying to put on the works. When I say, yeah, I feel like people are, you know, maybe, you know, watching us closely or something like that. Oh, this, and that. But sometimes I feel like they be putting on the works. They be putting, you know, fronting, acting hard, trying to do embarrassing things. You know, again, I feel like this is it. It feels like maybe at first somebody wasn't into it, but when these people over us felt like they might get called out for illegally recording, I think they could pay somebody to pull someone in that's really, really close to you, maybe in the same household. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe you in competition with that person. Say this is Game of Thrones and you don't even realize you in competition with your mate. You see what I'm saying? And they think that they're going to get some riches so they can have other bitches. So even if they love you to death, they would never go against you. That may make somebody weigh something here to get rid of you so that they can then go do whatever they want to do. So it's just this whole whole situation here that I feel like it's very strange. You know, could people be allowed? And then that's scary again for me when it comes to your children. If somebody could allow somebody to come in on you, could they allow them to come in on your children in their sleep? You know what I'm saying? Also, and then do you have to worry about your children in places with these people? You know, I'm just talking about this is a general some message here. Okay, should women be worried about this at this point in time? Because I just see a shift in people and women, especially, you know, this kind of like gloominess over women's, you know, the ones, again, that I would call soul siblings because they have a like mind, regardless if I agree with everything they say and everything they do or not. You know what I'm saying? I feel like there's just this presence here. And there's some of these females that's going on the verge of like, well, damn, I already slipped up and took the deal, or damn, you know, whatever. And there's somebody like me that's like, no, if an injustice going on a mass level, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm being that poster child for this shit to happen to, you know what I'm saying? To be able to explain it to the world that you really can't trust no fucking body. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of energy of people coming in, pulling on my energy, but it's like they want to lure me off somewhere. You know what I'm saying? And it's almost like that. Somebody like Jesus is not, Yeshua or whatever, is not here anymore or something, or not in my vicinity. And it's like people are calling saying, oh, he's over here, or he's over there. But there's really no real destination to these things. It's just like somebody pulling on your energy like they want to see you, but they never really put the full initiative in. It's just a sense to get you off when you walking away from a situation, it's damn near almost abuse. And I feel like these is overseers